Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Natalie Attired unboxing. I am so pleased that you have joined me today. Have you heard? Have you heard the good news about Natalie Attired? If not, let me share it with you. Natalie Attired is a style service box, much like all the other subscription boxes out there. I personally love Natalie Attired because they offer some very unique and eclectic pieces that I'm not able to find at the malls or even shopping online. That's one of the reasons I love my Natalie Attired, and Natalie Attired has just rolled out this brand new discount program that I'm so excited to share with you. My stylist has picked 5 pieces for me, and if I keep the entire collection, I now get a 30% discount. 30%, that is unheard of. No one does a discount that big. So if you have been wondering about trying a sub box or trying Natalie Attired, I think now is the time because these are really big discounts. Something else that is new, Natalie Attired now offers a 20% discount if I keep 3 or 4 pieces in this box. Yes! There is a $20 styling fee, and that fee comes off anything that I choose to purchase. I think I have always purchased at least 1 piece from my Natalie Attired box. I have kept the entire box before. My boxes have been very good lately. I'll leave a link to a playlist of Natalie Attired videos if you want to check out the items that I have got from Natalie Attired. Please be my guest. I can't say enough about this company. I was satisfied with it without the discount, but now that we have this discount, ooh, I am all in. So Natalie Attired did send me this box. They asked me to spread the word, let everyone know about these discounts. So here is my box. I can't wait to get into it. Let's do a first impression. Hey, this is what the box looks like. And so I have a bundle, and there's some paperwork there, an invoice, and somewhere in there is a mailer. I think it's right here. There's a mailer where I can send anything back that doesn't work for me. And here is my bundle. Okay, I like these colors. Let's open it. With Natalie Attired, we always get a personal note from our stylist, handwritten. She says, "Hi Kelly, I hope you love the collection I chose. Everything is perfect to transition you into spring. All the tops will look super cute with these dark wash skinnies. Love these, love the price on these jeans. Enjoy, Annie." And then she leaves a note and says, "Check the pricing on the back of this postcard." And that is where they tell us all about the discounts. Yay. I have my invoice. I'm not looking at individual prices. The total of my box is $232. If I keep everything, $162.40. Let's see what my stylist sent me. Okay, on the top is this funky top. This is by the brand UMGEE. And I bought some jeans from UMGEE in my last box, which I really liked. Okay, this is really out there. We do have a ruffle on this. Oh no, it's a split sleeve, but there is still a ruffle on it. And it's a patchwork type fabric. Okay, first glance, I love it. It does look like it might be a little bit short. I don't know, is it a wrap? Yeah, it's a wrap, and it is open there. So this is a piece we just have to try on, but out of the box, I like the look of it. Next up is kind of a mauve colored piece, and this is by IJOAH. And oh my goodness, look at how sweet. Okay, can you see this? Cow skulls. All right, I like this. Yeah, this is nice mauve. And it has a bit of a short sleeve, maybe a cap sleeve. There is a twist in the front, and yet it looks like a flowy type top. What's the neckline? A crew neck. And this is a nice soft knit fabric. I like this one already. Then we have the little striped number, and this is just a t-shirt. Oh, there is a little detail there. We have a little ruffle sleeve, and I always like a little sleeve detail. This is kind of in a baby blue and white stripe, a crew neck. Again, this is that soft cotton fabric. I like this one. This one will be price dependent because I do have this exact same colored striped shirt. It doesn't have the ruffle on it, and we just have a straight bottom on this one. I like this one. I like the fresh colors. I do like the sleeve detail. Like I said, we'll have to see how it fits and what the price looks like and if I need this one to get the discount. Next up is Renee C. And I don't know if the camera is picking it up. This is actually like a dark navy blue top, and it looks like a paisley type print with golds and a little bit of green, some mauve in it. We do have the tassel tie, which I'm not crazy about because it is really hard to wash. You have to be so careful with them. And I've forgotten about tassels before in the wash and ruined the blouse. This looks to be a 3/4 sleeve. It does have an elastic at the cuff. We'll see about that. And this blouse is lined in the front only. It is sheer through the back, and it is a pretty sheer blouse. I don't know how I feel about this one. I like Renee C a whole lot. I don't know if I like the cut on this one. It is a rounded hemline, and part of it is the colors. It's really dark, and I'm kind of enjoying the other brighter colors that I just unboxed. And now for the denim. Okay. The denim is by Diamante, which I have never tried before. Look at these pockets. Okay, that is kind of cool. So we have some contrasting stitching, and look at this, even that yoke on the back, how that is. I wonder what that's gonna look like. Maybe it will be very booty enhancing, which that would be very cool. So these are just a really nice dark wash denim. Now, one thing I do notice, look at how short the zipper is. So that can sometimes cause problems where you have like gapping right through here. So let's check out the fit on these, but the look of them is pretty nice. I've tried everything on. Yeah, I'm a mess. This was a great box. I'm going to need your help because we are going to have style box math. That's what's going to happen with this box. Please let me know what your favorite pieces are. The first piece that I tried on was this UMGEE split ruffle sleeve top, $49. I'm crazy about it. I put it on. It makes me want to dance. I just think it's a lot of fun. It is that true wrap though. So this is a piece that I would have to wear with a cami or a tank top underneath. I don't care. I'll do that. I think this is really a very nice spring transition piece. This is a piece I can wear right now, and I can wear this with the UMGEE denim that I got in my last Natalie Attired. I think this is a fabulous piece to wear with those denim. I promise you, you are going to see that very soon. This blouse is staying with me at $49. I absolutely love it. This is an example of those fun, unique pieces. I don't know where I would ever find this, and I love it. So yeah, this one is mine. Okay, the next one is the IJOAH t-shirt. It's got that twist front, and it has the flowy kind of body to it. And you guys, check out the fabric. I don't know if I like the placement of those cow skulls. Some of them right side up, some of them upside down. Now, this top feels amazing. It's really super soft. I do like the fabric. I like a lot about it, but I'm a little bit bugged about the placement of those cow skulls. And at first glance, I love this one. It's $39. I don't know if I really want this one, but I want to hear what you think about this one. Yeah, let me know, okay? Next top is the Renee C top, and I like this top. I have many tops like this. For a while there, I purchased every single Renee C top I ever received, and I do have very similar tops to this. So this wasn't wowing me from the very beginning, only because of the dark colors, and I do think it is very, very pretty. I just don't think it's for me. This one is $59 and it is a little dressier. I didn't even bother to untie it to see what it would look like untied. And I was mistaken. This is not elastic. That's just a gathered sleeve. I think this one is pretty, but I know I can live without it because I have so many other tops by Renee C. that look so very similar. So this one is going back. And the striped top is Les Amis. I don't know. You guys probably know better than I do how to pronounce that one. This one is $36. It's one of my favorites. I like the sleeve detail. I like it enough to keep it. Like I said, it's very similar to a top that I already have that does not have sleeve detail, so I can kind of justify keeping this one. Again, this is just a nice spring piece, very, very soft with some fun detail, $36. I think that's a very fair price, and I'm looking forward to wearing this one. Okay, next up is the denim, the Diamante denim. Does anyone have any experience with these denim? I have never tried them. They felt pretty good on, but please tell me what you think about the way they look on me. I will look at my video when I edit this video and see what I think. These are about 70% cotton. They're a polyester and spandex blend. So there's a lot of stretch in them. But the waistband was just a little bit too big. I don't know if it was bothering me. I really appreciate how high waist these are, and I can wear my no buckle belts with these. I don't know if I size down in these, if they would be too tight. A little scared to try that. So if you have any experience with the Diamante denim, please let me know. Let me tell you what these denim remind me of. They remind me of Paige Huxton denim. That's how they feel. They also have that look with the contrasting stitching and the really dark wash. Some of you might disagree, but if you haven't tried both, I suggest you try both and see if this Diamante is not a fair comparison to the Paige Huxton denim. Now, these are $59. I'm leaning towards keeping them. I think I will probably email my stylist and see about exchanging them for one size down because, let's face it, it's really nice to have a waistband that fits and you feel secure and snug and everything is secure there. So I will email my stylist, but I'm leaning towards keeping the denim and the striped top and, of course, my little UMGEE top. What do you think about these other two? If I keep everything here and get my 20% discount, it's $115. So for just $45 more, I can have two blouses. See what I mean? This is tough. I like these kinds of challenges and puzzles, and I always wait to hear what you think about the clothes before I make any decisions. I will email my stylist, find out about the exchange on the denim, and I will give you an update in my next Natalie Attired unboxing. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and watch my outfit diary so you can see the clothing that I purchase in the subscription box, how I use them in my everyday looks. I would love to have you join this channel. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? I really appreciate all of your support. I'll have another video for you in just a couple days. It's going to be about clothing, so I hope that you will show up for that one as well. Wherever you are, blessings to you.